up, viewers, subscribers? How you doing? So that's my little take on the whole Majah hype thing right now. So it has come to my attention that a number of videos have surfaced online of the ex of Majah hype, which is not a good look. Even if those videos were recorded a long time ago, people are just speculating about the whole entire thing, and it doesn't look good on the female side. So a lot of people have been stating that they believe that Majah hype is actually the one releasing those videos, and even the female in question as well believe that Majah hype is actually the one behind the whole entire release of these videos. So these videos now are said to be very X-to-the rated, and a number of activities have been caught performing in these videos, and people are just having like a war of a time with the whole entire thing as it relates to that. But all I can say is that it's so sad that this thing blew up on social media just like this, and it's not a good thing whenever you have personal problems or relationships per se, and social media is the one that is buzzing with the whole entire activity. So I really wish that this could just end, but based on what is going on, it doesn't seem as if this is coming to an end no time soon. The fact that these videos were released, and a number of them, if it was one, then maybe it would have faded away for after a period of time. However, it still continues to be like the trending story on social media. But all I can say is that I hope that she does bounce back from this, and even Majah hype as well, because I know that this must be very difficult for him going through these actual clips and seeing those things happening. And the people out there right now are just basically bashing the female, and it doesn't look good on her part, because everybody was playing the blame game towards Majah hype at one point, and then now everything does seem as if it's going downhill for the female. She launched a GoFundMe page recently, which started out successful, then suddenly it just went downhill and became stagnant, not moving as it relates to donations. She had put a 50,000 US target, and that was suddenly dropped to 10,000 soon after, and now I believe she only collect over 2,000 and something as it relates to the target, and it is not moving. So I believe that now a number of people have basically dropped her as it relates to their support after these videos made rounds on social media. But it's very sad to see how this has played out online, especially on Majah hype's part. And he had a number of shows actually planned as well, and they had to be cancelled based on the whole entire development and the whole entire situation that went down prior to this, and also before the entire thing went down as well. But all I can say is that I hope that he just maintain his composure and just keep that positive mindset, and just don't let this thing depress him more than it is already. As for the female, I really don't know what will happen with her. I have heard that she might be planning to take Majah hype to court based on the release of those videos. I'm not 100% certain whether or not that will materialize, because that was what was stated in the GoFundMe page that was created by that friend. So we'll just continue to keep you up to date though with this story. It's a weekend. Links TV. Guess what? Enjoy. I'm out. Peace.